The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class continues to uphold its legacy as the pinnacle of luxury, refinement, and innovation. Welcome back to Auto Review's Garage. Today we're diving into the car that defines what a modern luxury sedan should be. With a design language that blends elegance with authority, the S-Class doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. On the exterior, the 2025 S-Class maintains its classic proportions, but subtle updates give it a more sculpted, aerodynamic profile. The long hood, wide grille adorned with the signature Mercedes star, and sleek digital LED headlights come together to form a presence that's impossible to ignore. Even the flush-fitting door handles and seamless body lines speak to the level of craftsmanship Mercedes-Benz is known for. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that's less car and more rolling sanctuary. It's clear that every detail, from the ambient lighting to the materials used, has been obsessed over. The 2025 model features updated trim options, even softer leather, and a new generation of the MBUX infotainment system with a massive OLED center display. Rear passengers are treated to an equally luxurious experience, with reclining seats, individual climate zones, and even massaging functions. Mercedes knows that luxury is just as much about how it makes you feel as what it gives you. Under the hood, the S-Class offers a range of powertrains. Whether you're looking at the buttery smooth inline-6 with EQ boost, or the more commanding V8 in the S580, both deliver power effortlessly, and with that unmistakable Mercedes composure. For 2025, efficiency has improved slightly, thanks to mild hybrid technology and software refinements. The ride quality? Still best in class. The e-active body control system reads the road ahead and adjusts suspension in real time, making every drive feel like you're gliding on air. In terms of tech, the 2025 S-Class continues to push boundaries. It offers Level 3 autonomous driving in certain markets, enhanced driver assist features, and biometric recognition for starting the car. Safety, as expected, is top tier with updates to the already robust pre-safe system. The S-Class isn't just a car, it's a statement. It tells the world you value tradition but demand the future. Whether you're being driven or taking the wheel yourself, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class delivers an experience that few cars can match. This is more than luxury. It's leadership on four wheels. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. This is Auto Review's Garage, bringing you the best from the world of premium motoring. See you in the next one.